On a clear night over New York City, thousands witnessed an unidentified triangular object emitting pulsating blue lights, hovering silently before accelerating at impossible speeds. Over 200 civilian videos captured the event, later confiscated by authorities. FAA radar confirmed an object moving at Mach 20, faster than any known aircraft. This incident sparked immediate military lockdowns of airspace, yet officials dismissed it as atmospheric reflections. Eyewitness accounts described a craft defying physics, with no exhaust trails or sound. A Freedom of Information Act request yielded a 12-page Pentagon report, with 9 pages entirely redacted. The visible sections revealed alarming phrases: origin, unknown, and threat level high, but conclusions were conspicuously absent. Aviation experts noted the object's flight path intersected restricted airspace near a nuclear facility. Radar operators testified their data feeds were abruptly cut, while military pilots reported being ordered to disengage pursuit. The gaps in documentation suggested a deliberate suppression chain. An anonymous NORAD technician leaked unaltered radar data showing the object's impossible maneuvers: 90-degree turns at 13,000 miles per hour, instantaneous stops, and ascents from sea level to 80,000 feet in 1.3 seconds. Physicists confirmed these accelerations would generate 4,500 G-forces, enough to crush any known material. Meanwhile, the Pentagon's public statement claimed sensor malfunctions. Discrepancies emerged when satellite operators revealed their infrared systems also tracked the object, yet this data was excluded from official reports. Declassified CIA files revealed identical triangular UFOs were tracked over nuclear silos during the Cold War. Retired Colonel Robert Jameson confessed that his 1967 orders included falsifying radar logs after UFO sightings at Malmstrom AFB. Patterns emerged. These objects consistently appeared near strategic military sites during technological breakthroughs. Former Lockheed engineers hinted at recovered exotic materials studied at Area 51 with properties defying known metallurgy. The New York incident wasn't isolated. It was part of a 70-year pattern. 137 aeronautical engineers and astrophysicists published an open letter condemning the government's anti-scientific stance. Dr. James Clayton demonstrated how the object's movements violated the laws of inertia, requiring propulsion technology decades ahead of public science. Meanwhile, leaks from Skunk Works revealed patents for anti-gravity drives filed just weeks after the New York incident. The scientific community split. Some demanded transparency, while others feared revealing humanity's technological inferiority could cause global panic. Key witnesses suffered strange repercussions. Air traffic controller John Delaney developed sudden dementia after describing the object's telepathic signals. 3 journalists investigating the case died in a suspicious car crash, their notes burned. Even digital evidence decayed. Original videos exhibited bit rot, with files corrupting spontaneously. Forensic experts found traces of electromagnetic pulse damage in recording devices. The Pentagon's explanation: coincidental hardware failures, only deepened suspicions of a sophisticated cover-up spanning multiple agencies. Despite promises of transparency, a Senate subcommittee hearing was abruptly canceled when 12 witnesses received classified gag orders. Representative Alexandra Cruz leaked prepared testimony showing NASA scientists had detected isotopic anomalies in air samples from the UFO's flight path. Evidence of element 115, a synthetic metal theorized to power antimatter reactors. The White House issued a rare, full classification lockdown, citing existential risks. Even Congress was deemed unfit to know what flew over America's largest city. MIT's Dr. Eleanor Park summarized the scientific enigmas. How did the object achieve Mach 20 without a sonic boom? What material withstood 5,000 degrees Celsius surface temperatures without vaporizing? Most perplexing, why did radiation sensors detect tachyons, hypothetical particles that move backward in time? The Pentagon's swamp gas explanations crumbled under peer review. Yet the biggest question remained: if this wasn't human tech and wasn't natural, the only remaining explanation challenged humanity's place in the cosmos, a truth perhaps too destabilizing to reveal. Today, New Yorkers still glance upward, wondering. The government's secrecy birthed a grassroots movement, Skywatch, with thousands filming the heavens nightly. Astrophysicists developed AI to analyze UFO reports, finding 87% matched the 2024 incident signature. Meanwhile, the original censored report's classification expires in 2072. Will we learn the truth in our lifetimes? One fact is certain: that night proved we're not alone in the universe. The only question is whether those in power will ever admit it.